How to analyze competitors' backlinks for free. Hello and welcome back again. In this video session we're going to analyze our competitors' backlinks. Now before we do, I created this slide so that you understand what to look for and the questions that you should be asking when you're looking at your competitors' backlink information. Okay? Because the reason you are analyzing your competitors' backlinks is, perhaps you want to find out backlinking opportunities. Okay? Or perhaps you want to find out why Google is ranking your competitors and so on. Okay? So a backlink analysis on competitors is surely important, and it will save time for you while giving you, an opportunity to get a backlink from the same sites. Okay? So let's open up our internet browser. I just wanted to show you this website because there are, many different backlinking websites, as in they show you information about backlinks, and most of them, most popular ones, they claim to be the best on internet, and they claim to have the best backlinking information for you. Okay, so I've done a backlinking information on this URL, okay, and that's the URL we've taken in this training course. Okay, and as you can see, this particular backlinking website is only showing me 3 backlinks here. Okay, and this one is only showing me just 1. Okay, and yet these people, they want money from you. In a sense, they say to you they have the best information, pay us some money, we'll show you more. Okay, so I strongly encourage you to stay away and don't fall victim to such claims. Keep your money in your pocket, because as you can see, this particular URL has only found this many. Okay, so let's close them up, because we know that's not how we do backlink analysis, because we want to do it for free and we are smarter than paying our money. Okay, so I've got siteexplorer.info, as I've shown you in the SEO tools video session. The reason I've shown you this is because for any keyword ranking, you will eventually come to a point where you have to analyze your competitors' backlinks. Okay, and as we can see, this is a free website, and it's gone ahead and it's actually found the same information as the other one, perhaps, right? But it gives you a bit more information. In a sense, the information that you're seeing is more easier to understand for you. Okay, and as we can see, this is the URLs that is given a backlink to our competitors if our competitor was this domain. Okay, so looking at that, surely you look at the anchor text, but as I've tried to relate to you, to not worry about all the misinformation about PageRank, Alexa rank, and all this stuff. Okay, forget about looking at that data, because I assure you that's not important for you when you think of getting backlinks for your own website. Okay, instead, keep a close eye on the anchor text, because you will see how their backlinking, which keywords are important, as we can see. Okay, and whenever you think to get a backlink for your own website, remember, if you just have the same anchor text over and over and over again, that's not smart. Instead, diversify your anchor text just to stay on the safe side. Although all the information that I have shared and will share in this training course is within Google guidelines, you still have to be smart, because there are a lot of spammers out there who use funny tactics, and because of that we have to be aware of what they do as well. So therefore, spammers usually do put keywords, and then they just start getting hundreds and thousands of backlinks, thinking that's going to help them. It doesn't work like that. Okay, you need to diversify your anchor text, and sometimes it's okay to use just a URL, or home or click here and so on, okay, as your anchor text. So we've got another backlinking analysis website here. Okay, I went ahead and conducted another backlink research on that domain, okay, on the domain in this example. And as you can see, this particular free website has actually found more backlinking information on our competitor, for example, okay. So as you can see, those who want you to pay money and yet the information they have is less than the free version of backlink analysis, okay. So this is the main two sites that you should utilize. And the reason I show two different ones is because at times these people, they will have different backlinking data for you, whereas this one here will have different backlinking data as well. So therefore, when you combine both of them together, you actually kind of like have a better knowledge about the backlinking of your competitors, okay. Now we know that when we analyze our competitors, we know that the URL is unique on internet. That means your domain is allocated to you and you only, okay. And same is true for your competitors. Because of that, and because of our understanding of search engine optimization and searching Google, then we can actually use Google to find out a bit more detail about the backlinks our competitors are getting. And how we do that is you simply copy the URL of your competitor, do so without the www version, okay, and simply, you know, search Google with that, but wrap it within quotes, okay. As we can see, I've got double quotes here, and then I want to paste that domain and remove any spaces, but I also want to minus in URL and then paste that in there. So basically what I am saying to Google is go and bring me this information in its text form, okay. Find websites who has this text mentioned on their pages, okay, and also don't bring any results that has this in its URL. That's why we've put the minus in front of that, in URL, with colon and then the domain name, right? So when we search Google, as we can see, it's bringing us all these results, okay, and the domain itself is not there. See, it's different domains. Now why we've done this? Because it is only in your best interest to actually do this kind of research for backlinks as well, because at times perhaps this domain has missed some information about backlinks, perhaps even this missed some information, okay. But oftentimes most website owners, they will use their URL as a backlinking anchor text, okay, and because of that, and Google, you know, being the search engine online and having the most websites indexed, okay, it will fetch you information that you may want to explore to find out a bit more information about your competitors. As we can see, that text is mentioned here and here and here and so on, okay. So that is how you do competitor analysis on your competitors, and do so for free. Thank you for learning with me. Let's continue learning proper search engine optimization methods. Thank you. Bye-bye.